Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of birds. Those incredible creatures that fill our skies with color, song, and wonder. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or just someone who enjoys the occasional chirp outside your window, there's so much to discover about these remarkable animals. So, let's spread our wings and explore the captivating lives of birds. Birds belong to the class Aves, characterized by their feathers, beaks, and the ability to lay eggs. With over 10,000 species worldwide, they inhabit every corner of the globe, from the icy tundras of the Arctic to the lush rainforests of the Amazon. Their diversity is astounding, with sizes ranging from the tiny bee hummingbird, measuring just about 2.2 inches, to the majestic ostrich, which can stand over 9 feet tall. One of the most remarkable features of birds is their feathers. Not only do they provide insulation and waterproofing, but they also play a crucial role in flight. Feathers come in various types, including contour feathers that shape the bird's body, down feathers that trap heat, and flight feathers that enable soaring through the skies. The vibrant colors and patterns of feathers serve multiple purposes, from attracting mates to camouflaging against predators. For instance, the brilliant plumage of a peacock is not just for show. It's a signal to potential partners of the bird's health and vitality. Speaking of flight, birds are the only animals with the ability to fly, thanks to their lightweight skeletons and powerful muscles. Their bones are hollow, which reduces weight without sacrificing strength. The structure of their wings is also fascinating. They are designed to create lift and thrust, allowing birds to soar, glide, and maneuver with incredible agility. Some birds, like the albatross, can fly thousands of miles without flapping their wings, using wind currents to their advantage. Birds are also known for their remarkable migration patterns. Many species travel thousands of miles each year in search of food, breeding grounds, or more favorable climates. The Arctic tern, for example, holds the record for the longest migration, flying about 44,000 miles, from its breeding grounds in the Arctic to its wintering grounds in the Antarctic. This incredible journey is not only a testament to their endurance, but also to their navigational skills. Birds use a combination of the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field to find their way, showcasing an innate ability that continues to intrigue scientists. Communication is another fascinating aspect of bird life. Birds are known for their songs and calls, which serve various purposes, from attracting mates to warning others of danger. Each species has its unique vocalizations, and some, like the lyrebird, can mimic the sounds of their environment, including chainsaws and camera shutters. This ability to imitate sounds is not just a party trick. It plays a role in their social interactions and survival. Social structures among birds can be quite complex. Some species, like the African gray parrot, are known for their intelligence and ability to form strong bonds with their mates and even humans. Others, like the American robin, are more solitary, coming together only during mating season. Many birds are also known to engage in cooperative behaviors, such as the communal nesting of cliff swallows, or the teamwork displayed by hunting raptors. These social dynamics highlight the adaptability and resourcefulness of birds in various environments. Feeding habits among birds are as diverse as their species. Some are strict herbivores, while others are carnivorous or omnivorous. Hummingbirds, for instance, have specialized tongues that allow them to extract nectar from flowers, while raptors like eagles and hawks are skilled hunters, using their keen eyesight to spot prey from great distances. Woodpeckers have adapted to pecking into trees to find insects, showcasing the incredible ways birds have evolved to thrive in their habitats. The role of birds in ecosystems is vital. They contribute to pollination, seed dispersal, and pest control, making them essential for maintaining the balance of nature. For example, many fruit-bearing plants rely on birds to eat their fruits and disperse the seeds, helping to propagate new plants. Additionally, birds help control insect populations, benefiting agriculture and human health. Their presence in an ecosystem often indicates its overall health, making them important indicators of environmental changes. Unfortunately, many bird species face significant threats due to habitat loss, climate change, and pollution. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion have led to the decline of many bird populations. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these species and their habitats. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to create protected areas, restore habitats, and raise awareness about the importance of birds in our ecosystems. By supporting these initiatives, we can all play a part in ensuring that future generations can enjoy the beauty and diversity of birds. Bird watching has become a popular pastime for many,